Today we're going to embark on a dangerous mission. The target? Hit Mach 1 in the Grand Canyon while staying below 200 feet. The aircraft we're flying today is the F-16, also known as the Viper. In the cockpit is our brave test pilot willing to put his life on the line to achieve a world first. Call sign Havoc. Havoc, status check.
In position. Green across the board.
Canyon run is a go. Godspeed, airman.
Dropping in. Let's go. Nice and low. 1,000 feet. 500. We are below 200. Grinding the crack. Mach 0.8. Mach 0.9.
G1.
Come on, baby. Hold it together now.
Airframe stress critical.
Mach 1. Woo! Hell yeah! Heading to safe altitude. That was wild. Returning to base.
If you enjoyed this film, please subscribe to support the channel so we can bring you more cinematic adventures.